Hello again, YouTube. Well, I done it again. I got another Ford. Remember that diesel? Well, I traded it for this one. 98 Ford 150, extended cab long bed, blah 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 blah. The electric trailer brakes, 178,000. It's a nice truck. Now, when it's cold, it has a minor exhaust leak until it gets warm, which, you know, doesn't really bother me much. I can live with that. Well, it's got the 4.6. It's got a ton of freaking room. The interior is in perfect condition. It's got the third door, power windows, power locks. I wish this thing would zoom in. Oh well. Well, okay. Cruise works and all that good shit. Horn works. Oops. Oh well. Yeah, I traded straight across that diesel for this truck. It's got all new brakes, blah blah blah. Nice fucking truck, actually. So, yeah, it does have a little rust. What's new? It's worse on this side than the other side. Now, story on my truck. We had one real bad snowstorm, and I accidentally kind of smoked it. Well, now hit and missing whether or not it's gonna go or not. But here's my crowning achievement I've done to it. I put duals on this bitch. Damn, that sounds good. And of course, steering column. Ain't supposed to be doing that. I need a new steering column for it, and I already got one. I know I got one located. I just need to get the money to get it, and transmission for it. So, yeah, nothing really new. Tachometer in order to monitor it. But this transmission surprises me. It always hits and miss. It'll go all through. Some days it'll go through its gear. Some days it won't go through its gear. So yeah, it's oddball. So now I own two trucks. This Chevy I'm driving town. The Ford when I go to work. We still got the Ranger and Mom's Tahoe. But I no longer have a diesel. Yay. That's all I can say. Don't that sound good? I love this truck. There ain't nothing better. I just now gotta get the transmission for it, and I'll drive her once again. What we've decided to do on both Fords is when we get my brother's paid off, that'll go to my grandma, and Jeb will get the other Ford. Then when I get this old girl fixed, keep on driving it, because all I've done is put two starters in it and done its oil. That's it. But now I gotta do the transmission, which, yeah, you know, ain't no big deal. It's kind of expected the way I ramrodded. But we put two new speakers in it, which, you know, really ain't impressive, but hey, they're nice to have. I love that sound. Love the sound of true duals. But then of course Tahoe's a 99 LT. I can't start it. I'm not even allowed to drive it, start it, or anything, because of what have happened to the old one. And you might hear this thing ticking. It's got a lifter tick in it. Of course, you've all seen the motor in my truck. Just a plain old 4.6. Nothing really impressive about it. It does good. That's all I need it for, really. Just drive back and forth to work. Yeah. Ain't too bad, actually. Not considering he put all new brakes on it, except for the rear drums, which, you know, turned out to be a $15 hose that went bad. And it was clogged solid. Tires aren't the greatest. I'd put that hitch on there. See, oh, it's got a dent. Oh well. The driver's side's worse than this side. Oh, I locked it. Oops. Forgot about that. Walk back over. Open the door. Unlock. There we go. Yeah. Works. Nice feature I like about this. Like the seat pulled forward. Both of them do that. And of course my can of Panther piss. That shit. If you ever find any of that Iron Guard industrial strength rust penetrant, if you ever find any of that, get it. It works. I got turned into a firm believer on that. It's got cowboy hat holder, which I don't know why. It's got trailer brake set up. Yeah. Does good. Like I said, it's just for me. Taking back and forth to work, nothing real special. Oh, what the hell is that? Oh well. Anyways, I'll show you the inside of the Tahoe. All leather. It's even got that, which our old Tahoe didn't have. Stupid door. It's even got those. Ooh, that good clean smell. Heated seats? Dang, we're living in the high life now. Push button 4-wheel drive. Don't really care for. 113,000 miles. She stole this thing. Nice and clean. Even got cup holders set up in there, which I like. Yeah, it's a nice Tahoe. 350 Vortec. Nothing real fancy, really. Fancier. I'm just not allowed to drive it. So, update on that. I got that. Mom got this. You seen that in the last video. We still got that. And you heard that in the situation on that. I'm just glad I got rid of that frickin' diesel truck. Well, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.